PPSSPP ROMs, how to use PPSSPP Emulator to play PSP games. Like God of War? To use the PPSSPP Emulator for playing PSP games, follow these steps. 1. Download PPSSPP, visit the official PPSSPP website, https://www.ppsspp.org, and download the version suitable for your platform, Windows, Android, or iOS. Install the emulator. On your device. 2. Get PSP game ROMs. You can use PSP ROMs in ISO or CSO formats. If you own physical copies of games, create ROMs by dumping the game files through your computer. Alternatively, download ROMs from trustworthy sources. Ensure you own the game legally. 3. Configure PPSSPP, Windows PC, extract the downloaded PPSSPP files into a folder. Open PPSSPP and select Browse to locate your PSP games folder. Your game ROMs will appear in the emulator. Adjust graphics settings, example rendering resolution, texture scaling, for optimal performance. Android and iOS, download PPSSPP from the Play Store, Android, or the official website, iOS. Extract your PSP game ROMs into a separate folder. Open PPSSPP, select Browse, and navigate to your games folder. 4. Play the game. Load a game from the list in PPSSPP. Enjoy playing PSP classics like God of War, Ghost of Sparta, Metal Gear Solid, Peace Walker, and more. Remember, using ROMs is legal if you own the game.